The luxurious bridal jewelry set from Temu is a stunning accessory that can elevate any special occasion look. This set features a vintage-inspired sunflower necklace and matching earrings, both adorned with sparkling synthetic zirconia stones that beautifully catch the light. The necklace boasts a gorgeous sunflower pendant that strikes the perfect balance between eye-catching and elegant. Its size is just right, making a statement without overwhelming your outfit. The chain is well crafted, sitting comfortably around the neck without being too heavy or thick. Complementing the necklace are dangle-style earrings that match the sunflower theme. These earrings add a touch of movement and frame the face beautifully. They are designed to be the perfect length, adding elegance without being cumbersome. Both pieces are made from copper and plated with 24-karat gold, giving them a rich, luxurious finish. The warm, glowing tone of the gold plating resembles that of high-end jewelry. The synthetic, cubic zirconia stones sparkle brilliantly, closely mimicking the appearance of real diamonds. This jewelry set is remarkably versatile. While perfect for bridal wear, it can also enhance your look at various formal events, such as galas, parties, or holiday celebrations. The vintage-inspired design allows for easy pairing with a variety of outfits, making a statement without being overly flashy. Comfort is a key feature of this set. The necklace has an adjustable chain for a perfect fit, while the earrings are lightweight, ensuring comfort even after hours of wear. This thoughtful design means you can confidently wear these pieces all day without discomfort. Maintaining this jewelry set is relatively simple. To preserve its shine, keep the pieces clean and dry, and avoid exposure to harsh chemicals or perfumes. Regular cleaning with a soft cloth will keep them looking pristine for years to come. The luxurious bridal jewelry set from Temu is ideal for brides-to-be, those attending special occasions, or anyone who appreciates vintage-inspired jewelry. Its timeless design makes it suitable for women of all ages, ensuring it will never go out of style. Whether for your own big day or as a thoughtful gift, this set offers a touch of elegance and sophistication to any ensemble.